In this tutorial, I'd like to provide you with a brief overview of how to use tables in Drupal Content Editor. Tables are nice for laying out your web page in a consistent, clean, organized fashion. You can create columns and rows and organize text and pictures in a way that gives nice structure to your web page. Now, to create a table, we can begin by clicking in the body editor where we want the table to appear. We want it to appear here, so we click here and click Insert a New Table. This gives us a list of table properties. We can change the number of columns, the number of rows, and we can change the border. The other things we won't deal with so much. So to begin, let's just create a 2x2 table and click Insert. This gives us 4 new cells in which we can add text or pictures. Let's begin by adding text. Let's paste that in here, and let's scroll down and grab this right here, and that's pasted in here, here, and here. Okay, let's see what the table looks like. Let's scroll down and save. Alright, now we've got a table, but some of the spacing's a little off because some paragraphs are bigger than others. So let's go back to Edit, and let's try to fix this problem. And while we're at it, let's add a border. So click on the table anywhere, and click on Insert a New Table, and let's add a border so that we can see where the edges of the table are. Let's add a border of 1, then we have to click on Advanced tab to change the border color. You can choose from any of the color palettes, or more generally just pick black because it looks fine in most cases, so we'll just stay with black. Then press Update, and then we have to go to Table Cell Properties, and we have to do the same thing here. Border color black. Press Apply. And we need to do this for all cells in the table, so we do that and Update. Alright, now to fix our spacing issue. Click on the table cell that has the spacing issue. Click on Table Cell Properties, and we need to work on the alignment. So let's add a left alignment, which will align it to the left here. And let's fix the vertical align to top. That'll fix our top spacing here. And just this, actually let's do it for all cells, and this should be fine. There we go. And it fixed this cell and this cell that had the same issue. Alright, let's scroll down and save and see what we've got. Alright, looks like we've got a nice looking table. All the paragraphs are lined up nicely. And that's about all there is to it. Let me show you one more thing though. Click on the Edit tab and navigate back to the editor. And we're going to replace this text here with an image. Now click here and then select Insert Image, and let's just pick a file from the file browser. My test folder has some pictures in it. Let's pick this one and press Insert. We'll just press Insert here. Okay, now it's really big. Click on it again. Let's go resize it so that it'll fit. Click on it and click on Appearance, and we need to make this a lot smaller. Let's start with something like 300 and let it automatically constrain so that there's no pixelization, and press Update. Okay, that's better. And it's aligned in the top left because as we saw before, we changed the alignment to top and left. Say we want to put it in the center, so we'll click on Cell Properties. For just this current cell, click on Center Alignment and Center Vertical Alignment, and that'll put the picture in the center. Now you can play around with alignments to put it just where you like it, but for me I just like it right there. Let's scroll down, press Save, and we'll see what we've done. Alright, so now we've got our image lined up in the center. And because of the spacing issues and the size, it's stretched this out, which is okay. To get it to look exactly like you want, it may take some playing around with, but that's the general concept. So thank you for watching this tutorial.